How to change browse location on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how you can change the browse location on YouTube. So before starting the video, like the video, subscribe the channel, and let's get started the video. So guys, first of all, why we need to change the browse location? It is because sometimes you are doing any kind of research or you want to see any kind of activity going on in any country. So for that you just change the browse location, and it really helps you to understand what is going on in that country. So for this you just need to click on your channel icon, and here you will see a setting option. After that, just click on general. Clicking on general, you will see there is a location option, third last option. I am from Pakistan, that's why it is Pakistan. So you can choose it wherever you want to choose. For now I'm choosing it to United States, and it is almost done. After that it will take few seconds, and here is some browse feed if you are from USA. So this is how it works, but I don't want this, so I will go again and revert it back to the Pakistan. So this is what I want to tell you, that how you can change the browse location. Hope this video will help you to understand. If it does, like the video, subscribe the channel. We'll meet in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.